Hakuna Matata, my country people are throwing a big salute for outside there. You fit call me Michael. Call me Congo Saman. 10 o'clock na hour we come for morning time for Chakara. Now 1 or 2 tori before one come back for big tori time for 3 o'clock. For Chakara tori for talk about since number 1 day for January. Custom them. In fact, they want them for inside Douala, they don't vex. They say like border, leave him, he enter, they go catch him for Douala. 13 carton, 1,000 of tablets for medicine, they don't catch him. Garutier for wrong point. Why it is still load? Minister for transport, he been say number 8 day for April. You know when see no man again for wrong point. Instead, it don't be a chop for police, chop for camp police, municipal police, the way they stand up for wrong point, and that's why you cause traffic. When you go to Dokoti, sometimes they one part you the whole no so. You run around. Why? When motor park, camion park, now for them man pikin and a woman they go start they see woman they cut tie so. Man pikin just stand up so. It is scratch the pocket. Then something they happen. It repeats for corner roads. Business people they sell on top. Oh boy. Public toilet. Where it is. Palava accident. Nubu Wosiam. Senseko Ayok Julius a lawyer them. Them the vex. Why? Call your neighbor. Make it down. As I come back, we go enter for that tori proper. Make we start for Chakara tori this morning time, my good people go take una for talk about how Kumba people, in fact, they work 10 days punishment. No Okada. Taxi, Nayawa. Why? They say people they get the land. They don't give them 10 days. May they rest. For Sika say they be here for Oga SGO, for Meme and Dio. Say me they come on work for country Sunday day. Take 3,000 and 5 liter petrol. Oh boy, Okada no dey Kumba again no. Okada no dey Kumba. Straight to Kumba, you say the one that say one thing they happen. In fact, some people even fear for common worker. In fact, so others say fine, they make sport. In fact, they go bonder, they go move some way for them body. Patrick, press button. May we see how custom they don't vex. 13 carton of fake medicine. Medicine with no license. In fact, Facebook and WhatsApp they already show how Nigerians they be expert for create tablet them. Now custom they catch them. Say you like custom they never answer for Chico. They leave and me enter. When they reach for Douala, in fact, they go catch them. And they go call journalists, they may they come. Because they don't tell we say they go add again with that other one where we show on the last time. So they go call we move with the camera, can't stand up here, they burn them, destroy so that we not begin go top for television, say they can't get them choco for back, take the thing and go back. Tramadol if they inside, in fact, Indocin kind medicine, nine papa, so 13 carton. And they say they put them one make chocolate, and they say no, now we no one make chocolate, receive chocolate now, so one do work. One the when come they don't say we catch all the fake medicine the way it tonton enter country. They come on Nigeria for answer at custom they don't tonton. They do and so people they say they want a fan. If they continue so no country they go there fine. Country go there fine. Okay, may we leave that side. We take una go there for Garutier for this side of Kwansoti, wrong point Bunabiri. Minister for transport, tell them the field road. I'm saying no one see no man make a load for wrong point. Traffic there for wrong point. Now for Sika, motor they load for go Southwest, motor they load for go Suzanne, Jombe, Penja, where they load for wrong point. That's why they cause traffic. In fact, delegate He say, minister be say, number ended for April. They don't want to see any motor again in load. The deadline don't come pass, but they pack it in say add the money, add the more because partner they scan for it, and so they cause traffic. Benz can stand up. All the tonton, in fact, confusion the tonton come for that side way. So even taxi not supposed for load for corner for 1 point. They say taxi where they go for inside the other 4 municipality. He get for load open after second college. And then after they don't make play the first stand up load for picking go outside, but inside now Clando they don't inside occupy other side and they reload. Okay. Nobody wait. He don't turn Bina and posted the police. He did for wrong point. When it's over control, they no motor, he no load for wrong point. In fact, na choko, parava. You give small thing, you give him 500, you give him 1,000, you load. And you pay 2 control, Plus now the load, number 3. Any motor in the load for wrong point. You pay police, pay council police, then pay load as them. Before go settle control for road. Yes! Now so it is not to not add traffic. Then you get transport say sanction they go cancel more time for man way you go turn load the motor for that side they go give them canceling for years. Even though Kongosa, half of the way they load for that side na kitu them. You don't hear? So one na X kitu. When they don't do it, they don't take motor now begin do clando. Take cap for Kitu, put from motor. So you want to say no, I be ex Kitu, I be been a Kitu, I be been a gendarme. They don't move me for they don't move my cap for hate. I be been an army, they don't move my cap for hate. I don't turn on a clando. Member, now we know. Even say me be that card sometimes say you be who? Show your card, escape be Kitu, why put cap for it? I be been an ex Kitu, they say move up. Move up! Okay. Move continue now gonna tell you come over outside, take una go time for so for inside Douala for precisely for Carrefour Ndokoti. Oh boy. Carrefour Ndokoti, when you turn up for some place, say you want to take a taxi, you go long nose. Why you go long nose? For security, it didn't. Public toilet, where it dey? My brother, don't ask me. Now they pray for Douala folk go say, Governor, don't do we fine. Oh, they don't put public toilet outside. But for Ndokoti, where it dey? Where public toilet, it dey for that side for Ndokoti. Busy pray for that side and say, for peace, they use na style. If some big motor, where the big small, a pack, all manner in jogo turn for back, chwara piece, and the piece will see na how it come for front motor. If camion pack, any man in jogo piece, he water the tire small. And as so, says you do not because if public toilet they go pay 50 or 100 they pull or piece for that side and they go tonton make a meet town it tonton they find. But any day will come back for 3 o'clock when I'll be to time for talk about all the story. Mu continue na kuna story this time around take kuna go to for this side for absolute for talk about entrance. In fact, fly over where day before we enter airport. Siam. Accident. In fact, 2 taxi, 1 Okada, 1 camion, all them they join with the keys. How did the government start? Patrick Presbot to make comparison. This instant I say people that go for Kache Bafia for that side for village, they always stand up for corner road. They break taxi for that side. Ngongoro, they run the camp. Pom. Taxi, it break. Okada too, it break all the break for tonton 5 for catch 1 customer. Now so when Ngongoro, he see say if he want go for middle road, he go place plenty, he go gang plenty put them. Now so when he come directly, he jam the other taxi go jam the other one. Other one too, he jam Okada where all them be parked for corner road for load. And when that plane na highway, when motor is run for them now, shwam. Now so the only tonton can stand up for that side. After we they place them, not play, don't make no play with this. So man, tonton for that side, but tonton break for that side. They say so when you ride for that road, you always get for shine your eye for me. That the content that will only tango so no man in no scripted that rule. The only tonton carry the even though they on to Okada, Ross go to WhatsApp Peter, even though they there for inside taxi for same they go tonton give a small muke. But when they come back for 3 o'clock, you know big story time for Chakara to read about all this kind of thing that happen for 8. You see now the 2 taxi and that plus the Okada is sleep for floor. Okay, Patrick. Come on that side, carry we go Yaounde for talk about Seseko, Ayok, Julius, and Co. Their lawyers them the vex. Them they say Cameroon is a country of law, but they need respect law. Because I say they want go for court after today at the beginning for appeal for front court for talk at the Mensabi or the Mensabi and for year with the court go talk. The only time maybe Oga for military tribunal, I don't write big book. He say all cases will be there for number 23 day. They don't adjourn them to number 29 day. There's a guy will like this one now how. Somebody say Idu and Amasika, the Yawa and the trouble will be there prison. The strike will be there for that type of central prison for Konengi. But they say according to my law talk say when any case they get for cancel them or adjourn them before the judgment day, they get for inform them 24 hours before. Say the Cameroon, they don't continue to violate the law them as they violate their rights and go for Nigeria. They still continue to violate their law even they for judge them, continue violating. Me, I did man, 3 o'clock, I will open microphone. Me when I hear how the lawyer them, they talk with Bele, they buy them. But they don't get choice. They go only come back for number 29 day for talk to the Ben Sabi or the Ben Sabi for so this month for July as we did it so often. Yes, it happen for inside this country. Any idea, countryman, there is small government that will not gather for that house it happen for inside this country. We go under the come back again. Under this time with Patrick. Press button move end for this side with the quantity. Market from Boppy. Oh boy. You know that Boppy market is that trouble. Fire away, don't the cash market from Boppy. People from Boppy don't say they don't overlost money. They don't overlost money. Me then go pay insurance. Est-ce que vous avez sabi all insurance for Douala? They say no, Machin Boppy, we know they with it. Machin Boppy, we know they with it. If you get your motor, you want to insure your house, you want to insure your store, where your store no there for inside market from Boppy. They go insurance for you. They say market from Boppy. In fact, say cable cord for that idea like cobwebs. They say market from Boppy. It don't get norm standard for market where they fit insure them because the market fit catch fire at any time. They fit burn. We even go see expert. They say no. We don't fit bear risks because that one you take that money for 1 month, you go become buy caco every 2 months, every 3 months because market go so continue and they burn. As it still continue to burn. Other people they cry say me they install transformer. Now they did the debate will come to you where they go to install, they no go install them. Or they say no, or they say yes because that's what they get for contributing to. Other when they say machine Boppy need for block them down, then be the farm market will go get standards. Oh yes, why don't they make market like that one? Why don't we divide the market into two? They blew one side, bill them. Then after the next year they blew one side, bill them. Where now the insurance market, they don't say if you want bond, you go turn business people on that side. They don't say na Cameroon na country where we don't only turn for money on that side. But any other countryman for 3 o'clock when our big Toyota will come back for blue now all this Toyota and the other one the way we say we sit on top of Cookam. Even how Kumba people them they make match partying. They demand our food. In fact, when I make sports help, make sport except man we get in moto. Because Kumba now, no Okada, they work with the punishment. Me, na Kungusa man, Patrick, na be press button for someone to see my Biblical Emmanuel, be there for back camera. I go on the come back again. Suited for 3 o'clock. I don't go.